Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to connect your MagicBand with the application in the Disneyland application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the three lines at the bottom of the page on the right. And then at this section, look for the MagicBand Plus button and click on that. And then click on the Add MagicBand button. And if you're within the section, then just click on the Open Scanner to Link button. And if you have the MagicBand with you, you just hold it close to your device, and the link, the connection will be ready. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.